Hello everyone, in this lecture we are going to talk about the difference between should and should have. But if you are new to my channel, then please like and subscribe the channel. Let's first learn should. Should is a modal verb used to express advice, recommendation, or obligation. What does it mean? Simply, it means that should is a modal verb which is used to express advice, recommendation, or obligation. Basically, if you want to give someone advice, then use this modal verb. I think still you are not getting the point. Just look at these examples. You should eat more vegetables for better health. Look at this sentence. The modal verb should is used. Basically, here it shows advice. Simply, if you say this sentence to someone, so, it means that you are giving advice to that person that he should eat more vegetables for better health. So, you can see this sentence shows a piece of advice. He should not waste his time. Observe this example. Again the modal verb should is used, and again this modal verb shows a piece of advice. Simply, it means that he is advised that he should not waste his time. Smith should study hard for his exam. Look at this last example. The modal verb should is again used to express an advice. Basically, it means that Smith is being advised that he should study hard for his exam. While the phrase should have refers to a missed opportunity or an unfulfilled obligation in the past. Simply, this phrase is used to when we want to talk about a missed opportunity in the past. Basically, if you didn't do something in the past and I want to tell you that it would have been better if you had not missed the opportunity of doing that work. Simply, this expression talks about the past missed activity. I think you are not getting the point. So, just look at these examples, then you will understand it. He should have apologized for his mistake. Observe this example. Here the expression should have is used. Actually, it means that he did not apologize for his mistake, and we want that it would have been better if he had apologized for his mistake, but he missed the opportunity and did not apologize for his mistake in the past. So, you can see this expression is used for the missed opportunity in the past. They should have told you the truth on time. Again the expression should have is used to express that it was necessary for them to tell you the truth on time, but they missed the opportunity and did not tell you. So, you can see again this expression is used to talk about the past event. She should have attended his class. Look at this last example. The phrase should have is used again to talk about a missed activity. Simply, it also means that it was necessary for her to attend his class, but she did not take his class. So, you can see this is the difference between these two terms. I hope you have enjoyed this lecture, but please don't forget like and subscription to the channel. Thank you.